Hi, I'm Stephanie Martinez. This week in Just Food News, we'll be looking at the latest crazy offering from Taco Bell, the ongoing food delivery wars, and how Airbnb wants to help you cook with some of the best chefs from all over the world. So Taco Bell has given us such weird but wonderful and calorie-packed delights like the naked chicken chalupa and the nacho fries, and let's face it, we've loved them all. The latest creative offering they're testing is a combination of tender chicken strips and tortilla strips. The strips are marinated in a buttermilk laced with jalapeno sauce, rolled in crispy tortilla crumbs, and deep fried. However, right now they're only on sale in Houston and Dayton, Ohio. And hopefully, LA, maybe? I don't know about you, but I love the convenience of food delivery apps. But which one is the best? Uber Eats, Grubhub, DoorDash? According to Wall Street experts, DoorDash is winning right now with about a 35% market share nationwide and a big hold of 5 of the 15 biggest markets. But hold on. Grubhub is the biggest player in New York City, Uber Eats is the favorite in Miami, and Postmates in sunny LA. And finally, have you ever wanted to crash a world-class chef's kitchen? Yeah. Through their cooking experiences, you can learn to make a perfect cream puffs in Paris, cook pasta with a sweet granny in Rome, or try to please Prue Leith, she's the tough judge from UK's Great British Bake Off, by baking with her in her own home. You can even win prizes like a trip to meet Momofuku's David Chang and his mom. Now, if you get Gordon Ramsay on board, that will be fun. That is all for today. Thank you for stopping in on this episode of Just Food News. If you like what you see, tweet us at Foodable, #JustFoodNews. Make sure to hit the bell and subscribe for more great content.